Well, hello there, folks. This is Papa G, your compost gardening CEO, who brings you a lot of compost gardening videos, don't you know? That's what we're doing, guys. We're compost gardening today. Again, I just had the camera on a little while ago. I thought I'd cut it back on, turn it back on, and let you guys watch me. First of all, let me give the Most High praises. All praises to the Most High. That's right. Everything begins and ends with the Most High. Put it in the comments if I ever forget to do this, guys. This way. Put it in the comments section. But anyway, intro. When I was a schoolboy coming home from school, I thought I saw Bo running around the hills and mountains. Steady hoop, steady hollering around the merry streets, with the ring ting tang and the ting 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 and a through the way a bow wow wow and a moo 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 and a heap of people that I do know. And through the way we'd run play ball, and through the way we would take a gander, guys. This is the famous compost garden. And this is cypress, guys. I have fallen to use, began to use cypress, guys. I'm sold on it. I'm sold on using cypress mulch rather than just wood chips anymore. Cypress, the way I understand it, it's supposed whenever it rains, it should just stick and stay right where it is, guys. Stick and stay. That's what you want. You cut your mulch to stay in the area that you have it covered. And so I'm finding that mulch, that cypress mulch is the way to go. Don't you know? Cypress, guys. But anyway, I wanted to turn the camera on and let you guys watch Popo G put some cottonseed meal. Gonna spread pour a little cottonseed meal on where Granny D and myself planted the other day. We planted some seeds. I think this row here is English peas, I believe. I dug the trenches, guys, and Granny D put them in the ground, and I covered them up. But anyway, I just wanted to turn the camera on and let you guys see that I'm using some natural fertilizer called cottonseed meal. Cottonseed meal, guys. I just wanted to put a little bit on these because we didn't do that when we were planting them. And so I just wanted to put a little cottonseed meal out here on these before, and hopefully to help them to grow. Because as some of you may know, things need nitrogen in order to grow. And so, I'm about to run out. I'll get them again some other time. But I got most of it. But anyway, I might go get a little bit more. Don't you know? But I just wanted to turn the camera on a little while and do a little short video of you being able to watch Papa G cover the plants of where the plants are gonna be with some cottonseed meal, some nitrogen, guys. I found out that things need nitrogen to grow. And so when they just receiving rainwater can wash away your nitrogen if that's all that's on it. And so anyway, I just wanted to turn a little the camera on for a short period to give you guys a shot at a look at what I was doing, putting down the cottonseed meal, guys. But anyway, it was just the way we began the video, talking to the Most High and giving the Most High credit and glory for how He blesses us with abundance in life. Because as He created everything, He said that it was good. And so I just wanted to end the video in the same way I began it. Because everything begins and ends with the Most High. Because He's love. And only love will never pass away. No matter how much you see around you, each and every day, only love will never pass away. And He is love. And so that lets you know that He is forever. Outro. When I was a schoolboy coming home from school, I thought I saw a boat raining around the hills and mountains. Steady hoop, steady hollowing around the merry streets, with a ring ting ting and a ting 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 and a through the way bow wow wow and a moo 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 and a heap of people that I do know. And through the way we'd run play ball and through the way we would run.